Sustainability and environment management are not only at the forefront of our management, they represent the grassroots of our operations. Energy efficiency, saving of waste, saving of water, and reducing the carbon footprint are all important aspects of our operations. It is indeed a pleasant sight and a breath of fresh air to see a chemical and fertilizer plant nestled between a lake, greenery, trees, and a fish pond. What we have created at Kakinada is a standing example of how trees, fish, and birds can coexist along with a chemical operation.
When one goes to the plant and actually to see this, and especially during the migration time, it's a sight. To see so many birds come to literally this is a chemical plant. And I keep saying that the kind of work that has been done has been immense. Unless the environment is clean, these birds are not going to come. And when you actually go there, and it's a photographer's delight. So to go in there and take photographs of these birds and actually have them there in the plant literally is a great feeling for us.
We have created a very nice freshwater pond around which there is a lot of trees, and we have brought in a species of fish, and this attracts the birds. We have a very efficient horticultural team to take care of this. We also have a doctor who comes visiting to take care of the birds. We also have a caretaker for the birds.
My name is Mahesh Babu. I am working in a AP Forest Department as a wildlife biologist. So this is one of the place whichever we are monitoring the bird species in Coringa Wildlife Sanctuary and adjoining areas. When we conducting Asian water bird census, this is one of the place which we are getting more number of birds in Coromandel and surrounding premises. So mainly the Coromandel area, there are freshwater wetland area which were very unique for birds. Mass number of nesting colonies also built here. So one of the such a good habitat and green belt also they are maintaining in this Coromandel premises.
We are very proud of our bird paradise. It is a unique, sustainable bioindicator and validates the fact that we are an eco-friendly operation. We base this on the 3 R's: reduce, recycle, and reuse. We have made sure that there is zero discharge of wastewater. We have also ensured that all plastic is recycled through an arrangement with the plastic recycler. We have ensured that all our operations are energy efficient by making state-of-the-art equipment handle our energy needs. So all these efforts ensure the emission levels are far lower than stipulated standards and are in line with our responsibility to ecology and environment.
See, our R&D team is looking at process innovations like flocculation technology for phosphoric acid. It also designs processes for using rock and acids for fertilizer manufacturing, contributing to sustainable cost savings. See, at Coromandel, we create opportunities of robust environment management programs towards sustainable growth in all our business locations. We operate plants in such a way that the emission levels are far below the stipulated standards. These are some of the initiatives that shall be accounted for our responsibility towards the ecology and environment.
At CIL as a whole, we have a keen interest to meet all rules and regulations and that we comply to that. In keeping with this, across all our locations, we have constant interaction with the local community and our management to ensure that they understand our commitment to sustainability and environment.